Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you our new digital files. So the first one is this one here. I said that we were going to do some snow globes for every season of the year or holiday, and this one is for Valentine's Day. And these are our puppies. I want to show you. So that's Ace and that's Diesel. And here they are, Ace and Diesel. So this is called Puppy Love, and it comes in a bundle of 3. So you get the mega size, you get the 2-inch size, and then you get the 1.5, 1.25, and 1 inch. And I'll bring this one up just so you can see the details and stuff. It's so cute. So this is for Valentine's Day because, you know, look at all the hearts. So Puppy Love. And there's our puppies. Okay, the next thing, other new thing is stars. So for right now, they're in the 2-inch size. So let's go through the colors. So you have blue, and then you have our new color, rose. So adorable. I love that color. Let me bring up the pink so that you can see the difference. So that's the regular pink, and this is rose. So it did fill in that gap that was missing, and I just love it. Okay, so pink and rose, and same with the yellow and the more yellow. It kind of filled in those gaps where one yellow was going more towards the green, and then another yellow went more towards the brown. So let me... Okay, so this is the regular yellow. And then this is the more yellow. So again, fills in those gaps. This one goes into the green, and this one goes into the brown. So yellow and more yellow. And then, you know, 2 that are, if you will, kind of similar, but they're not, is turquoise and mint. And again, I love that turquoise yellow, that color, turquoise color, but I wanted it more, one that was more towards the green too. So this is mint. So you got turquoise and mint. So this one goes towards the blue, and this one goes towards the green. Love that. And I love that this is an outline. This is a full color, polka dots, and some lines. So then we have red, we have purple, we have peach, we have bright orange, or I guess this was regular orange. Regular orange. This is bright orange. And this time he did one in black. So that's a new color that we added in there. And then we have the green, the dark gray. I guess I forgot to print the light gray, but there's light gray. And then there's brown. So these are our new digital files that we have this week. So these come in a single file, so single color, or you can get the bundle. And that's it. These are our new digital files, new this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.